Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this channel we discuss everything that has to do with paid service, also discuss everything that has to do with making money online using your phone, okay, your laptop or any gadgets that you can use to access the internet. All right. In today's class, I want to be talking about the Mysterium VPN, okay? I want to show you guys how you can get it and how you can actually pay for it because it's actually a paid VPN, one of the strongest VPNs out there. So I want to show you guys how you can get it and also how you can pay for it so that you can use it at any time you wish. Okay. But also you can check the comment section of this video, and the link to my WhatsApp community is there. Just in case the money for the VPN is too high for you, you can join our WhatsApp community where we also give out the same value for this VPN at a subsidized rate. Okay, so if you can't buy it, if you can't purchase it directly yourself, just come to me through the WhatsApp link I'll drop below, the pinned comments below, and then I would give you the same VPN but at a cheaper price. Okay. All right, so with that being said, let me show you guys how you can get your VPN and how to subscribe to it. Okay, please do well to also make sure you use your VPNs for the right things. You want to make sure you're using your VPNs for the right things. Okay, please use your VPNs only for good things, right? All right, so without wasting much of our time, uh I will go straight into it. You want to open your Play Store either on your phone or your laptop, whatsoever you're using. And when you open your Play Store, the next thing you want to do is to search, right? You want to search for the app. It's called Mysterium VPN, right? When you type Mysterium VPN, click on search. All right, guys. So this is the app right here. This is it. Mysterium VPN. This is what it looks like, right? This one here. This one here. This is the Mysterium VPN we've been talking about. So if you don't know it, that's what it looks like. Now you want to click on it. After click on it, of course, you want to click install, right? So tap on install, and boom, just like that, my VPN is installed without wasting any time. I think the network is super fast today. So after that, I want to click on open. Okay, so tap on open and then click on open. All right, so when you have the VPN on your phone, this is the first page you're going to see, right? So this VPN has the ability to accommodate uh some number of people. It also, you can also use it for yourself. So in a case where you want to use it for yourself, you can just use any of these two methods to sign up, right? Because this is our first time using it. You can just use any of these two methods to sign up. So you can continue with Apple or continue with Google if you are using it all by yourself, right? If you don't really have to share, you don't really have to start sharing your details to anybody since you're using it all by yourself, right? All right. But if you're not using it all to your name, like if you would want to share the VPN with someone else, then this should be your option. Okay. Email address should be your option. So you put in the email address you want to use to subscribe to the VPN, and then you just continue with email. As you can see below here, you just click on continue with email. That's if you are using this option. You, after putting in your email, you click continue with email. But if you're using any of these options, when you click on it, the emails on your phone will pop out, and then you just pick from which particular email you want to use, right? So for this one, I would be going with this option because I want to share my VPN with other people. So I'll just go for it, and I would put in my email. So real quick, this is my email, guys. And then after putting in my email, I want to click this continue with email. I want to click continue with email just like I have explained earlier. So I tap on continue with email, and voila, this is it, guys. We are in the Mysterium VPN right now. Okay, they said your connection is exposed, your IP location, visibility, and all that. You just want to click on continue, right? You want to click continue, and then this is it, guys. This is it. This is what it looks like, right? So for this section now, if you click connect, let's say you click on connect, you see it is telling you to get your subscription, right? And that is the essence of this video, right? So now get a plus 1 year secure your connection and all that. So this is just what they're showing you. If you want a yearly subscription, you can get it easily. But if you don't want a yearly subscription based off the price and every other thing you're seeing here, you can just click on this one, see all plans. Okay, you can click on see all plans. So I'll click on see all plans, and as you can see, they have different plans. Okay, let me show you guys. Right, they have different plans. They have the plus plan, and they also have the basic plan. Okay, those are the two plans that they offer. And as you can see, for the what's it called, for the plus plan, the full price for plus plan is 71,000, while the full price for basic plan is 61,000. All right. So if this is under the yearly, but I would want to go for the monthly, so I'll just click on monthly. Right, I'll tap on monthly, and as you can see, for the monthly, plus plan has 18,000 and 18,600 plus, while the basic plan has 14,000 plus. Right, so why do they have a difference in plan? Why do they have a difference in price? Rather, if you would like to know, you can just come down here where they say compare all futures. Right, you can just come down there, tap on compare all futures, and as you can see, they are giving you reasons why the basic plan and the plus plan are two different prices. Okay, so as you can see, for the basic plan, right, you can only secure 6 device under the basic plan. This is basic, right? This is basic and this is plus. So for the basic plan, you can secure just 6 device, while if you're going for the plus plan, you can secure as high as 10 device. What this means is, if you buy the subscription from them, you have the ability to use up to 10 devices on one subscription. Okay, while this has the ability to use up to 6 devices on one subscription. And also for the first one, they said 7 days money guaranteed, money back guaranteed, that should in case any issues or you don't like it. All right, so that's that about that. Now for the basic plan, you still have supported countries is just 57, while for the plus plan, supported countries is 100 plus. Wow, so you can see there's a huge difference. For the server, it's just 3,800 for basic, 11,000 for plus. And then VPN protocol all observed on both plans. Okay, double VPN observed on both plans. Residential, now the basic plan does not have residential IPs. That's a no. You don't want to get a VPN that does not have residential IPs. Well, but it depends on what you want to do. But we all know you don't want to get a VPN does not have a residential IP. But the plus plan has up to 7,500 residential IPs. Okay, city level choice, you can choose what city on the basic plan, you can choose what city on the plus plan, and so on and so forth. Right, so that's that about that. All right, so for me on this video, I would be going for the plus plan. I don't see any reason why I would ever get the basic plan. In fact, all right, so with that being said, if you want to get your plus plan, when you, as you can see, the option, the option is ticked to the plus plan, is ticked, right? And then when it's ticked, the next thing I want to do is I want to click on get plan. Okay, I'll tap on get plan. There's always a plus plan for me. There's always a plus plan. There's nothing that's making me get the basic plan. The basic plan is not as good or as nice as the plus plan. All right, guys, so I'll just pause the video, and then when I'm back, after putting in my uh, card details, I'll be back. Or I can just put let me see, I think I should just put my card details, and then yes, let me just put in my card details. Okay, let me just put it in. So you want to make sure you have enough money already. Like I said, you want to make sure you have enough money on in the accounts where the card you are using to buy. Okay, you need a bank card. So the bank card you are using to buy, you want to make sure the bank card has enough money to buy you want to make sure the bank card has enough money to buy the the subscription. Okay, you don't want to have less, you don't want to have exactly, you want to have maybe at least a little more. Just give yourself space to breathe. Is that okay? So that putting in my bank details, the next thing I want to do is click on save card. Next thing I want to do is click on save card. So my card has been saved. Okay, my card has been saved the to my Google account. So after my card has been saved, as you can see, they say um monthly plus plan, right? So it's only for 1 month, it lasts for 1 month. They say starting today I'm getting it for 18,000 plus, right? So at this point, the next thing I want to do is I want to click on this subscribe button. My card is already there, so I want to just click on subscribe. Okay, tap on subscribe. It's processing, so we'll just give it some time. Oh voila, as you can see guys, they said payment successful. Payment successful. Now they said require authentication for purchases. Probably want to say yes, because yeah, you want them to ask you before making any purchase. Okay, so this one you just want to tap on, maybe turn on backup payment method. You just want to tap on manage, and then just want to tap on save. Okay, and that is it guys, that is it. Then this is it, you've actually subscribed to the VPN. If you don't know how to use the VPN, you can actually click on start store, but if you know how to use, if you know your way out, you just click on skip for now. So for me, I'll click skip for now. And now when I hit connect again, when I hit connect, you should be able to see the difference. I'll click on connect. As you can see, they said we need your permission in order to use Mysterium VPN app. We need your permission to install a VPN profile and all that. Then you click on allow. Tap on allow. Then you tap on OK. Okay, tap on OK. Tap on it. And yes, guys, yes, as you can see, it is saying that we are connected up right here. As you can see, it's saying we are connected. And if you want to disconnect the VPN, let's say you're done with what you're doing and you want to disconnect your VPN, you just come down here and tap disconnect. Okay, so let me tap on it, disconnect. And as you can see, they say plan information not available, we are unable to retrieve. All this is just network issues. Okay, you don't have any issue with that, so just tap on retry, then tap on connect again. If you want it to connect, you tap on connect. All right, and if you want to change your country, you already know what to do. If you want to change your country from what they give you at first, you just come search for location, and then let's say you go for search for location, and then you search for United. Let's say I want to connect to United States. I tap on United States, and then under United States I can tap on any um city here. Let's go for California. Just tap on California. All right, go back to map, and as you can see, it has changed, right? United States, California. All right guys, I hope you find value in this video, and please do well to subscribe, like the video, share the video, comment on the video. I really do appreciate. And I'll see you guys on the next one, and until then, stay safe. All right.